Received just 50 precious rounds of ammunition as the platoon commander briefs his young soldiers.
You dash down, you pick your man, you move. You dash down, you pick your man, you move. No wasting of ammo, nothing. We haven't got it, but we are going to get this war to the end. Is that all right? Yes, sir. Now, make sure that each time you are moving, that you are moving in the right direction. Another Savior. Holy, 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 odumegwu, ojukwu. Another Savior. Another Savior. Holy, 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 odumegwu, ojukwu. Another Savior. Holy, holy.
The Biafrans have no artillery to speak of. Their only answer to Nigerian firepower is a homemade rocket. About a mile north of Igboworldwid, we've come under fire from further east. The enemy is still a long way away, although the rifle fire, light machine gun fire shown extremely close overhead. Our troops are now pushing forward into Igboworldwid itself, clearing the enemy as they go. Despite the need to conserve every round, the Biafran troops fire blindly at enemy positions they can scarcely see. Minutes later, and the Biafrans are having trouble getting their troops to advance from their forward positions. Most of their bullets are going into the ground ahead. Come on, get back. The front line moves forward slowly. Too many NCOs seem to want to lead their men from behind, and the Biafrans have little idea of using what cover there is.
Can you have a snap? Come on, come on!
On the road now, the troops have reached their first objective. Now, if all goes well, they'll press on into Igboworldwid, round the side of it, and hope to cut the next road down, the road to Uyo.